What if I told you that picking your first stock could be the start of your journey to building wealth and financial freedom? But here's the kicker. Most people never take the plunge because they think it's too complicated. Spoiler alert, it's not. So what's holding you back? Let's change that today. Hey there, and welcome to Smart Money Moves, your go-to channel for making wise financial decisions and living a wealthy lifestyle. Today, we're diving into one of the most common questions young investors ask. How do I pick my first stock? And if you're tired of hearing confusing jargon or feel overwhelmed by all the options out there, don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to research, evaluate, and confidently invest in your first stock like a pro. We'll cover simple, actionable steps to help you avoid rookie mistakes and start building wealth today. Ready? Let's get into it. Point 1. Start with what you know. First things first. Invest in what you know. Look around at the products and services you use daily. Are you always sipping Starbucks? Do you live on your iPhone or MacBook? These companies dominate your life for a reason. They're likely dominating the market too. By starting with companies you already understand, you'll have an edge when evaluating their potential as investments. Hop onto a free stock research site like Yahoo Finance or Morningstar. Search for your favorite company and check key details like their revenue, trends, and net income. Don't worry if it sounds intimidating, I promise. It's simpler than it looks. Point 2. Check the company's financial health. Next, let's talk numbers, but not the overwhelming kind. Here are 2 must-check metrics. Revenue growth and profitability. Is the company making more money year after year? Is it actually profitable? Look for consistent growth over the last 3-5 years. This will tell you if the business is solid and thriving. For example, say you're looking at Nike. You'll notice steady sales growth thanks to their global dominance and popular products. That's the kind of trend you want to see before investing. Point 3. Understand the industry and future potential. You don't just want a great company. You want one that's positioned to win in the future. Research the industry. Is it growing or shrinking? For instance, companies in renewable energy, tech, and healthcare are riding trends that are likely to expand over the next decade. Google recent news about the industry or the company you're interested in. Read reports or listen to earnings calls. Companies often share their plans for the future. This step helps you invest in not just today, but tomorrow. Point 4. Start small and diversify. Finally, start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to invest. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Web will let you buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of Amazon or Tesla for as little as $50. Once you've picked your first stock, look into adding more to diversify your portfolio. Over time, this spreads risk and increases your chances of long-term success. So tip, if you're feeling overwhelmed, consider an ETF, exchange-traded fund. These are like a basket of stocks, giving you exposure to multiple companies at once, which is perfect for beginners. All right, let's recap. Start with what you know, check the company's financial health, understand the industry's future, and start small while aiming for diversification. These simple steps will set you up for success as you pick your first stock. Remember, every great investor started where you are right now, taking that first step. The sooner you begin, the sooner you can start building your wealth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's ready to invest, and hit that subscribe button for more tips on building wealth and living your best financial life. Until next time, keep making smart money moves.